Hi, I'm Mylin, and I am going to be presenting my PowerPoint for the Introduction to Communication class for Professor Leslie Short. And the title of my presentation is Nonverbal Pictures. And I chose 4 photos out of the PowerPoint that you presented to us, and let's begin. So, there it goes. Okay. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication occurs without using any oral or written word. Instead of written or oral words, it relies on various nonverbal cues like physical movements, tasks, colors, signs, symbols, signal charts, etc., to express feelings, attitudes, or information. Okay. Uh, the first photo that I chose. The angle of this photo was taken perfectly enough for me to see that he was surrounded by a few different people. The angle was there enough for me to see he had a hammer or axe resting against him, which shows me that he is taking a break from using that tool. This man's body language shows me a person who is being complimented. He is thankful and happy about being complimented for all the hard work he's putting out. The way he pulls his cap off to rub his head tells me he's a bit shy from the attention of the compliments, but he sure is enjoying every bit of it. Nonverbal photo number 2. I chose this one. I just felt that I can explain a little more with this one. This picture was taken far enough to see his body from head to toe. The way his hand is resting on his hip and the other elbow rested upon the wooden barrel shows me he's waiting for some work to come his way. Seems like he has been waiting for a while too, because the way he is leaned over with a smirk on his face shows me enough to know that the jobs are taking some time to be assigned to him. He also seems to not mind it because he is getting paid to stand and wait on the work to be handed over to him. So it seems like it is an easier day for him, and I mean his clothes isn't dirty, as I expected it to be too. So I would think he's just having a better day and an easier day for being outside and having hard labor. Nonverbal photo number 3. This photo is up close and personal enough to know he is a man of the law. This man's body language shows me that he is very intimidating. With his bold eyebrows and wild stare, you can see that he is a man of authority. He also seems ready to take action if an emergency of some sort would to arise. He wants people to know that he sees them and that he is observing every bit of what is going on around him. So you can see with the in his eyes. Okay. Nonverbal photo number 4. Her body language is telling me she is through with this long day. You can see with her hand on her hip and the way her eyebrows are scrunched up, she is expressing how exhausting the day is going. She seems a little frustrated as though she could be doing other things besides what she may be sweating over right now. But she sure had to complete whatever the task was outside in that hot heat by herself. It seems like, she's just done with the day, is what I see. And here's my reference page. I did go to EDU Note to get some pointers on what I should be thinking about to put down for each photo. Thinking about the distance of the photo and the gestures and all that, making sure that I put that all inside my presentation. And I got all this information from the Rasmussen University page, our Module 3 page, and the EDU Note website, which is right here. Thank you.